Forget everything you thought a pickup could be, because the newest wave rolling out of China swaps clunky leaf springs and thirsty diesels for twin-turbo V6, skateboard EV chassis, bi-directional power outlets, and massage chair cabins that redefine work truck. In the time it's taken legacy brands to argue about emissions targets, Chinese engineers have unleashed hybrids that sip 2 liters per 100, electric utes that blitz 0 to 100 in sports car times, and range-extended rigs that silently conquer mountain switchbacks while powering your campsite espresso machine. Today, we're counting down the 6 coolest examples. Rigs so packed with tech, torque, and head-turning style that even die-hard truck purists might start Googling export dates. Buckle up, the future of pickups is arriving, and it has a distinctly Mandarin accent. Number 6. Great Wall Shanhai Cannon. Luxury muscles up. Picture a Ranger Raptor-sized rig that thinks it's a luxury SUV. The Shanhai Cannon, Great Wall's flagship ute, lets you choose a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 mild hybrid good for 265 kilowatts and 500 newton-meters, or a frugal 2.0-liter petrol hybrid that still punches out 258 kilowatts. Both run through a slick 9-speed auto and a BorgWarner 4A plus M-Lock 4-wheel drive system, meaning highway passes are effortless and low-range crawling feels almost telepathic. Inside, the cabin borrows from Great Wall's Tank 500, 12.3-inch infotainment, 10-speaker Infinity audio, and Napa leather thrones that heat, cool, and massage. Rear seats recline limo style, and the party trick tailgate drops down or swings open barn door style for forklift-friendly loading. Toss in a 3.3 kilowatt vehicle-to-load socket, and you can brew espresso or power a DJ deck right off the truck. Who said luxury and brawn can't coexist? 5. JAC T9 Hunter, the budget bruiser. JAC has spent 5 decades perfecting heavy-duty chassis, and it shows. The T9 Hunter rides on a new 3rd-gen platform with coil-sprung rear suspension that feels almost crossover smooth. A 2.0-liter turbo diesel delivers 125 kilowatts and 410 newton-meters through an 8-speed automatic, and wading depth hits 800 millimeters, outswimming a Hilux from the showroom. The cabin, dual digital displays, ventilated faux leather seats, wireless charging, and even a cooled center console for your sodas. Safety kit rivals premium brands with autonomous emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a center airbag. Best of all, the price undercuts mainstream rivals by thousands while packing a 7-year warranty and future-proof PHEV and full EV variants. In short, affordable no longer equals cheap and nasty. Number 4. Changan Hunter REV. Range Extended Rebel. Electric pickups usually force a choice between torque and touring range. Changan's Hunter REV answers with a 2.0-liter turbo generator feeding dual E-motors, never driving the wheels directly, serving 470 newton-meters of instant shove and a claimed 1,000 kilometers combined range from one fill-up and one charge. Because the engine only charges the battery, off-road progress is whisper quiet. You glide over ruts while birdsong fills the cab. A 3,432mm wheelbase grants limo-like rear legroom, and the 88 kilowatt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery doubles as a power bank with 6.6 kilowatt AC export sockets, handy for running job site tools or a freezer full of freshly caught fish. Wide arches, blackout grille, and pulsing charge bar DRLs give the REV a sci-fi stance, while inside a yacht-inspired dash, dual-tone leather, and 14-speaker Sony surround system cocoon you in quiet opulence. 3. Maxus eTerron 9 Electric Super Truck. SAIC's Maxus brand already sells Europe's only volume EV pickup, the ET90, but the eTerron 9 cranks the dial to 11. Dual motors unleash 320 kilowatts, hurling this 4-wheel drive brute from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 5.8 seconds, quicker than a V8 Ranger Raptor. Its all-terrain system gives you 400 drive modes, adaptive air suspension, and throttle maps tailored for mud, sand, rocks, or snow. A high nickel battery promises 550 kilometers WLTP range and fast charges from 10 to 80% in under 30 minutes. Space: an 8-foot composite bed swallows motocross bikes, while a 236-liter frunk keeps valuables safe. Inside, bamboo trim meets a wraparound OLED dash with Level 2 plus driver assistance. Think Rivian R1T for half the money, and you're close. 2. Geely Radar. Horizon RD6 the silent sprinter. The original rear-drive RD6 impressed outdoorsy millennials with 400-plus kilometers of clean range. The new Horizon adds a front motor for Tesla rivaling 428 horsepower, slicing 0 to 100 kilometers per hour to 4.5 seconds, faster than anything else in the segment short of a Cybertruck. Thanks to Geely's SE skateboard chassis, the 1.2-meter-long bed has a completely flat floor, freeing 1,200 liters of weather-sealed cargo. Spearfish at dawn, flip down the built-in tailgate workstation for lunch, then run a movie projector at night via the 6-kilowatt bidirectional inverter. Battery packs from 66 to 100 kilowatt-hours deliver up to 600 kilometers CLTC range. Add radar-based aids, voice-activated camping lights, and a roof-mounted drone pad, and the Horizon looks less like a truck and more like a rolling adventure OS. Price? Under $36,000 in China, diesel competitors should be sweating. Number 1. BYD Shark 6 Apex Predator. BYD has conquered sedans and SUVs. Now it's circling the pickup pond. The Shark 6 blends Chin Plus super hybrid wizardry with serious truck hardware. A 1.5-liter turbo petrol engine teams with dual E-motors for a combined 321 kilowatts, rocketing the crew cab to 100 kilometers per hour in 5.7 seconds, quicker than a Chevy Silverado 6.2 V8, while sipping just 2 liters per 100 kilometers. Selectable mud, sand, and snow. Modes funnel torque through intelligent AWD with an auto-locking rear diff. It'll tow 2.5 tons and DC fast charge its 31 kilowatt-hour blade battery from 30 to 80% in 25 minutes. Inside, BYD's signature 15.6-inch rotating screen runs Di-Link 100 OS, voice controlling everything from the 12-way massaging seats to a 16-speaker Dynaudio soundbar. The tailgate is crash-rated as a 250-kilogram seat, and the integrated slide-out step makes loading bikes a breeze. Why number 1? Because it fuses supercar acceleration, hybrid thrift, and off-grid practicality into a package slated for global markets: Mexico first, Australia, and ASEAN next. If pricing undercuts hybrid Hiluxes, traditional players are in for a feeding frenzy. So there you have it. 6 radically different Chinese pickups rewriting the rulebook, from Great Wall's massage chair luxury to BYD's super hybrid Apex Predator. Smash that subscribe button if you crave more deep dives into the vehicles shaking up our roads, and drop a comment. Which truck would you park in your driveway, and why? And why?